Sam's new hobby. Sam is a young boy. He is 10 years old. Sam loves to play football. He plays every day with his friends in the park. One day, Sam sees a group of kids painting. They look happy. Sam is curious. "What are you doing?" Sam asks. "We are painting," one girl replies. "It is fun. You should try it." Sam thinks for a moment. He loves bright colors, but he has never painted before. He decides to join the group. They give him a brush and some colors. Sam feels excited. He starts to paint a big sun. He uses yellow and orange. The sun looks bright and happy. The other kids are painting flowers and trees. Sam watches them and smiles. He enjoys painting with his new friends. After some time, Sam's painting is finished. He feels proud. "Wow, this is great," he says. The other kids clap for him. From that day, Sam has a new hobby. He still plays football, but now he also loves to paint. Every Saturday, he goes to the park to paint with his friends. They laugh and share their ideas. Sam learns that trying new things can be fun. He is happy to have two hobbies now, playing football and painting. Sam knows that hobbies make life exciting and full of joy. And so, Sam continues to explore new hobbies every week, discovering more things he loves to do.